This is PRem's crypto market update for December 8, 2018. Welcome everyone. Market has recovered a little bit. We are 4 billion up and market cap we're now doing 111 billion. In the last 24 hours we had 17, nearly 18 billion of volume, so that's bigger than usual. And if you look at the BTC dominance, it's come down to 54.3%. Now let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now at 3,482. You can basically say it's hovering around the $3,400 level. And if you look at the top 10, well, everything seems to be in the green for the exception of Bitcoin SV. Yesterday, strangely enough, it went up. And today, when the market is just taking some relief, it's again 5% down, doing $101. Now, what is also doing 101 is basically Tether. This is something we've not seen for a long time. We saw 98 cents for a very long time, 97 cents, and now we are back yesterday at at par, and now at 101. So yeah, I mean, people are basically selling off their Tether to get back into cryptos again. Now let's look what is going on here. In the top 10, well, basically everything is in the green. Stellar is up 10%, doing 12 cents. Ethereum still below the $100 mark, doing $93 right now and 72 cents. Now let's look at the coins which have done very well. Gold Bits coin up 21%, Raven up 15%. Eternity up 15%, Metaverse ETP up 15%, Tesos up 15%, and the list goes on. Pardon me. The coins which have not done that well are DEX down 30%, Bitcoin SV, as I said before, 5.8%, ODEM down 5%, Golem down 2.2%. Now let's quickly have a look at basically the chart. Now we can see yesterday's candle was again well, lower than the previous candle. So and even today, if you look, it's kind of opened up steady, but if this candle is going to close lower again, we can see basically a pattern again for going down. Right now here on Bitstamp, Bitcoin is doing 3,444, and if we look at the RSI, the relative strength index, we can see is basically at 20%. So there is some scope for getting up to 30, but it could be even for that matter going lower as we can maybe see in the coming future. Let's go ahead with the news, and we see Mastercard Patent filing outlines way to anonymize crypto transactions. So Mastercard, a giant in payments, as everybody knows. Biggest rival is Visa. They've developed a way of keeping cryptocurrency transactions private. Now this privatization is something they have on Thursday went to the US Patent and Trademark Office to get this kind of patented in this way. So let's see how this is going to roll. I think, yeah, I mean, we've seen anonymity coins like Monero or Zcash in the market, but more importantly, here we can see basically that Mastercard, who is definitely looking very, very closely what's going on in the crypto market, is looking for transactions to be anonymized. All right, so the next news comes from CZ, the CEO of Binance. So he is still a crypto bull and believes that Binance chain could have thousands of blockchains on it. So this is, of course, in a talk to Forbes Asia. They were having a get-together on December 4th where CZ came on stage and talked about Binance chain. I think very positive news. Let's see how this was going to roll. Then XRP. The rumors are still on XRP, if they're going to be listed on Coinbase or not. But more importantly, right now XRP with Apple's Siri, you can do payments. Basically, there is this XRP tip bot app, which basically uses shortcuts through Siri to do payments. Here on this website, we can see basically how this is done. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl, and I hope to see you on the next one.